Question 4a. A student built a circuit using filament lamps. Sketch a current potential difference graph for a filament lamp on figure 1. Okay, so we've got to sketch it, so that means there's no numbers involved. It's worth 2 marks, and it's a filament lamp. Okay, so the filament lamp, remember, circuit symbol looks like that. Now I'll take a little bit of time with this actually, because I'll show you this. There's 3 different graphs you need to know what they look like for each of these. One of them is an ohmic resistor. One of them is a diode, and one of them is a filament lamp. Now the way that I always remember these, the trick for remembering these really is looking at the shape of them. So there's 2 things we're looking for. We're looking for, is there symmetry in the shape? So symmetry with that one. This is the only one here is not symmetrical, which means its graph is not symmetrical. Okay, and if we think about the shape of the graph of a PD current graph for a diode, it looks like this. It only exists in one dimension. The other thing we're looking for is straight lines, straight or curved. Okay, so this one here is symmetrical. It's also straight and curved. Therefore, the curve, the line we draw is straight like that. Go straight through. It's symmetrical and it's straight. Whereas our filament lamp is symmetrical, but it's also curved, and it's kind of curved in this S shape, like that. Okay, careful not to curl it right back up so it doesn't ever face upwards like that, but it looks like an elongated S shape. And the reason it does that, again, you don't need to know this, the reason is that resistance increases as the wire gets hot. Okay, so here, high resistance, low resistance here. And if we relate that back to, so it should be low resistance, sorry. If we relate that back to a normal light bulb, when they first switch on, they have much lower resistance, so they get very high current through, and that's normally when they break. When they've been on for a little while, the resistance increases. So sometimes you'll see as well in the first couple of seconds of a bulb being on, it actually changes brightness. Starts very bright and then goes a little dimmer. Okay, so that's the answer to question 4a.